Excel, Module 3, Advanced Features, Fancy Clustered Columns. Go ahead and open the file. For the very first worksheet, Red Raccoon, go ahead and skip it. We'll ignore that one for now. Go right to Sports. This is a very short data sheet, which just has one list of sports and then some data with the students. So just click Insert and then select, you can go to Recommended Charts and you're going to get the clustered column. Go ahead and click OK. And then move it to its own sheet. So choose Move Chart and then we'll click New Sheet and call it Sports Chart. And instead of having the standard clustered column bar charts that are just the same color, you could change each of them to a different color, but instead if I left click one bar, it selects all of them. You can tell by the circles on each one of them. Click the first one again, so it's just the first one, which is baseball. Then choose right click, Format Data Point, and you get a window over here that's Format Data Point. Click the tipped over bucket, which is Fill, and then choose Fill. And you want Picture, and I'm going to go Online. And this category is baseball. And then select any picture of baseball you'd like and insert. And I'm just going to choose underneath transparency stack, so you get a layer of baseballs. Then click the next one, and when I choose picture, I'm going to get baseball again until I go into insert, back online, and this time basketball. And again, select anything you'd like and choose stacked. So I'm going to do 2 more. Once you have your bars changed to an actual symbol of the category, what you can also do on either side of the title is right click and choose Fill, and I'm going to go to Picture and I'm going to go Online, and I'll type in sports field. And you can again pick anything you'd like. I'll go with this one here and insert, and it's the background. Then you'll do the same thing for the geology, so I'll click to geology and choose Insert, Recommended Chart. I'm getting the clustered column as the recommended chart, so click OK. Move it to its own sheet, and this will be called Geology Chart. And then again, you'll do the same thing where you'll click one, it selects all of them, then click this one again. The window's still open, so go right to Picture, Insert, and this is Emerald. And you'll again select, doesn't matter what you pick, and do the stacked, and continue the rest of the gems, and then also put a background on this, and that's in Save and Submit. Thank you.